Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication on your eToro account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in etoro.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official eToro website. If you haven't already logged into your account, you can click on the sign in button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your email address and your password. After logging in, you will be taken back into the homepage. Now, if you wish to set up two-factor authentication, click on the gear icon at the bottom left corner, which will take you into your settings page. From here, click on account, and now at the right side underneath security, you will see the two-factor authentication button. Go ahead and click on this to turn it on, and you will be asked to complete your profile. Enter your first and your last name and choose your gender and enter your date of birth. Then proceed forward and you will be asked to enter your address. After filling up all of your information, you will be asked to add your phone number as well. After you add your phone number, you will be asked to check your inbox and enter the verification code that you receive within on the next screen. So just check your SMS and enter the verification code. And now this toggle will be turned on and two-factor authentication will be set up within your account right away. After this, every time you try to log into your eToro account, you will need to enter this login code that will be sent to your phone. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn on or enable two-factor authentication on your eToro account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.